71% of businesses in the United States have a website, but huge majority of them do not work. Hi, my name is Artem, I'm founder of Verdix, and today I want to talk with you why your website might be leaking leads and what you can do to fix that. So first, what is leaking leads? Essentially, it is when potential clients come to your web page, but instead of moving to the next stage of sales funnel, they just drop off. They missed on great product, you missed on sale, lose-lose. So let me go through a checklist, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to identify the issues and fix them. So number one, no clear call to action. Call to action must be clear to you and it must be clear to your customers. Call to action is essentially what you want from your customers. Don't be scared of making it too obvious because you just can't. You want your leads to have freedom of becoming your clients at any moment, and it must be obvious. Maybe they decided to buy a product before going to a website. Maybe they decided that reading your testimonials. It doesn't really matter. The thing is, you don't have much time, just a few seconds before they decide to go somewhere else. Make it big, make it bright, and make it stay on the website whenever user goes. The next thing is cluttered website. This is super important. People do not read websites, they scan them. Of 100 people going to a website, only one will read the full paragraph containing more than 20 words in it. The rest will spend 8 seconds max trying to distill information on your website in a set of bullet lists. If you don't help them with a good infrastructure, they will, give up. So help your customers, prioritize and shorten information. People will thank you later. The next thing is the lack of trust. But I don't think I should remind you that internet is not for rookies, right? Someone coming from 90s, I still can remember all those malware you can download on your laptop if your cursor slips an inch. It's gotten better, though we still have crypto scams. But nevertheless, people don't trust internet. And if you want someone to make a move just seeing a list of products you offer, tough luck. Add sections that build trust. Upload your photo, maybe short a short video, ask people for reviews, and add this section of testimonials to your landing page. Simple as that, but it pays off for sure. The next thing is inconsistent design. This is a tough one, as to create solid and consistent digital brand, you need some understanding of design and branding, but you still can apply some simple rules here. First, don't use more than 3 colors. This includes backgrounds, text, and icons. Make sure all elements are aligned and in the same patterns, and tone of your language doesn't change dramatically from section to section. I'll record a separate video on this one, stay tuned. The last one is slow load time. People usually overlook this because this is something you can feel only first time loading your website. Second, and the next times, the browser will cache your website and it will load real fast for you. Won't load real fast for your customers though, because they will be coming first time. The rule of thumb is 3 seconds max and 2 is great. If your website or some content on it loads longer, you might want to look into optimization. You can reduce size of your media, put this on CTM, change hosting platform, or maybe hire an engineer to optimize it for you. It might sound silly to put so much effort into something that converts to just a second, but if you have analytics on your website, you already know how many people drop off in the first 2 seconds. So it is crucial. So that's it for now, and let me know in the comments what you think is the most common problem for the website. And I'll see you in the next video.